This video will help you identify and report improper workplace conduct before it becomes unlawful harassment. The descriptions of harassment in this video are not intended as legal definitions. Where conduct is unlawful harassment will depend on the law and facts of each case.
We are committed to ensuring equal employment opportunity for all of our employees and job applicants,
regardless of race, age, color, religion, sex, national origin, disability, or any other legally protected status.
This commitment includes protection from workplace harassment.
As an employee of our firm, you have the right to be protected from harassment without fear of retaliation, regardless of where you're assigned, who the harasser works for, or what position the harasser holds.
You are protected against work-related harassment even if it occurs off the immediate work site or after normal work hours.
This short video explains what workplace harassment is and what you should do if it happens to you or if you observe the harassment of others.
Just important, this video provides guidance on the type of conduct we expect all of our employees to avoid.
Unlawful workplace harassment is any uninvited, unwelcome conduct that makes a person feel uncomfortable or creates a hostile environment.
It includes harassment based on race, sex, age, religion, disability, national origin, and any legally protected status.
Putting up with workplace harassment does not make it okay, even when the harasser says no harm is intended.
One common form of harassment involves abuse of authority, such as when a supervisor uses his or her position to harm a worker's career.
Other types of harassment by supervisors or non-supervisors can include insults or threats, offensive touching or other physical contact, stalking, unjustified derogatory comments about you or your work, expressions of prejudice or stereotyping, and exclusion from work-related activities.
Sexual harassment is the most common form of workplace harassment. Most sexual harassment cases involve men harassing women. There have been cases of women harassing men, which is just unlawful.
Harassment also occurs between members of the same sex.
There are two kinds of sexual harassment.
The first involves a specific demand or suggestion that the employee grant sexual favors in return for keeping his or her job or enjoying special job-related benefits.
The legal term for this is quid pro quo harassment, which is a Latin phrase meaning this for that.
The second form of sexual harassment involves the creation of a hostile work environment. This is when an employee is made to feel uncomfortable or threatened by sexually related comments or acts.
This could include the sharing of inappropriate jokes, pressuring a coworker to go on a date, unwelcome touching or displays of affection, or displaying sexually oriented pictures or other material.
If you feel you are the victim of harassment, whether it is based on sex, race, age, religion, disability, or national origin, you must act to address the problem as soon as possible.
Sometimes just telling the person to stop will be enough to fix the problem.
But if the harassment continues, or if you feel uncomfortable confronting the person, you should promptly report the matter to our staffing firm so corrective action can be taken.
Never take chances with your safety. If the harassment involves violence or the immediate threat of violence, get away from the harasser and call the police.
Now you know what workplace harassment is and what to do if you are harassed.
You also know the type of conduct you should avoid.
The most important thing to remember is that we have procedures in place for dealing with workplace harassment.
Any concerns you might have must be immediately reported to our firm for prompt resolution.
With your cooperation, we can protect all employees from workplace harassment.